Hello guys, recently I was asked about what I would do if I were president. I was thinking about it for several days and then I decided to make a video on this topic and to share my ideas with you. I'm not telling that it's the absolute truth, and I'm absolutely sure that not every one of you will agree with me. I'm just thinking about a version of society which is based on freedom, equality and progress, and of course on a well-being of all citizens. And I want to start from decentralization, because you all know what could happen if one man has unlimited power. So we all know examples of Russia, examples of North Korea, so that's why I'm thinking that it's not good to give so much power to one person. And I think we should give more autonomy to small regions, because it will allow them to make decisions based on their unique needs and circumstances, rather than relying on politicians who may not understand their situation. And actually I would transfer power from politicians to scientists, because they can make decisions based on evidence and data. I think it's much better to make decisions based on scientific facts rather than based on political ideology. I think many problems we can solve using direct democracy. It's a type of democracy where people vote directly for decisions rather than for individuals, because it would help us to ensure that our policies based on a people will rather than opinion of a few individuals. The government should be transparent and decision-making process should be open to all. I'm sure we can do it using blockchain technology. We should simplify legal system to make it more accessible for citizens. We should develop a system for repealing outdated, ineffective and harmful laws. Because of robotization, I think we have no choice. We need to have universal basic income, which would be enough for feed yourself and also for rent at least modest house. The opportunity to be citizen will be based on desire, not birthright, because it will allow people from all cultures to contribute to society and have a voice in a decision-making process. I think the concept of nationality should be abolished as other artificial borders in our society. Next point about taxes. I think we should have progressive inheritance tax and also regularly increase tax on goods, on products which is harmful for people's health, such as alcohol and smoking products. Affordable health care and education would be available for all citizens, and also equal and fair justice would be established with a focus on rehabilitation instead of punishment. We definitely should care more about nature and climate changes. We need to prioritize investments in renewable energy and electric vehicles. And also I think we need to have a punishment for throwing garbage on the streets. The last point I named live your life and let others live theirs. I'm absolutely sure not every one of you will agree with this point of view, but I believe that if we don't like something in others' behavior, it doesn't mean that they should change it. So I mean LGBT rights, I mean transgender rights, I mean right for women who want to end her pregnancy, I mean right for people who want to have more than one person in their family. The common goal is to promote global stability through equality, scientific progress and freedom. I hope this video was interesting for you. Let me know in the comments with what points do you agree and with what points you don't agree and why. And I wanna say thank you to people who supported me through PayPal, to Carl Olson, to Marisa Raimundo, to Paul Hedge, and Jose Gonzalez. Thank you guys, your help really means a lot for me. Bye.